Anyone else drinking out there? I'm sorry, is anybody drinking out there? Hey, cheers then! Drink with the band! At least the band who's drinking.
Water and soda pops or drink.
This next one's called Misplaced and Mr. Misunderstood. It's an original I wrote for my fancy fiance over there at our merch booth. By the way, we got a merch booth. We got koozies, t-shirts, drumstick bags, don't ask. You can put anything in them. It's a good time. Beanies too, if you're into that sort of thing.
So what's the name of this one again?
This one's called Misplaced and Mr. Misunderstood. Rose-tinted lenses and my glasses broke, but I still see red everywhere. You're not just in my heart, you're a piece of my chest. You're the reason it's even beaten, been close to leaving a time or two before. But that ain't now, oh miss. Misplaced and Mr. Misunderstood. You're the moon and I'm the wave being drawn to you. Mistaken, we're breaking all of the rules. You're the moon and I'm the wave being drawn to you. Take it, taxi! You're the brush and I'm the canvas. Every day you paint this smile on my face. You're not just some choice, that's like saying trees ask for rain. You're the staple in the paper that's holding it all together. You're the book, I'll be the writer, let's make our twain. And I ain't got much else left to say. Little mama, just come over here. Misplaced and Mr. Misunderstood. You're the moon and I'm the wave being drawn to you. Mistaken, we're breaking all of the rules. You're the moon and I'm the wave, yeah. Misplaced and Mr. Misunderstood. You're the moon and I'm the wave, yeah. Mistaken, you're breaking all of the rules. You're the moon and I'm the wave, baby, yeah. Misplaced and Mr. Misunderstood. You're the moon and I'm the wave. Mistaken, we're breaking all of the rules. You're the moon and I'm the wave, baby, yeah. Just left to say, little mama, just come over here. Yeah, give it up for Mr. Saxy on the saxophone tonight, baby. I got Danny Baseman to my left. And behind me on the drums is Jordan Drumman. And my name's D'Artagnan Kane, and we are the Maplewood Brothers. Took a plane out of Austin last night in the drizzling rain. Blue bonnets line the highway side, and that's how I know it's spring. Wanna put me on a TV show, and I don't know if it's right, but I said yes, cause I can't refuse those crystal city lights. Crucified son, say that I'm the lucky one. Won't tell me what I've done. I'm a crucified son. Crucified son, say that I'm the lucky one. Won't tell me what I've done, and I'm a crucified son. Don't ask me how it started, cause right now I can't recall. It's a wonder how me and these boys are even out here still riding it all. It's got to be a higher reason, cause it ain't no fortune and fame. I walk out the door, they stab me in the back and they run curses through my name. I'm saying I'm a crucified son, say that I'm the lucky one. Won't tell me what I've done, and I'm a crucified son. Crucified son, say that I'm the lucky one. From Houston to Kingdom Come, and I'm a crucified son. Don't go to Crystal City if you love your wife. The girls there, they're all so pretty that they'll make you lose your mind. There's got to be a higher reason, it ain't no fortune and fame. I walk out the door, they stab me in the back and they run curses through my name. I'm saying I'm a crucified son, say that I'm the lucky one. Won't tell me what I've done, I'm a crucified son. Crucified son, say that I'm the lucky one. From Houston down to Kingdom Come, and I'm a crucified son. Crucified son.